Hi, this is Faja Alameen back again with experiment for chemistry 1412. And basically today we're going to be working on a project called Titration for Acetic Acid in Vinegar. And these are some of your tools and supplies that we must use in order to be safe. We have our goggles here, and we have our gloves, because when dealing with any kind of acid you want to make sure that your hands and everything is covered. But today what we're going to discuss is the household vinegar and actually the diluted acetic acid that is used every day, I guess, Here we have our vinegar, okay, and we have our sodium hydroxide, which is NaOH, and let's see, we have the phenolphthaleindol, which basically is what we use. It says on here, be careful about using it by open flames, because apparently this is flammable or can cause a fire. We have our little short stem pipelet, which is right here. And basically all of this stuff was inside of the kit. We have our little mixer just in case, and basically we have the sodium hydride, which is the dropper bottle, which is what we're going to use in order to drop down. I want you to take a look over here at my splendid lab apparatus that I have set up. And here you will see that the unit is set up for the actual filtration to go inside the handle here, and then go inside of the actual beaker at the bottom, where is that we can distinguish between the different colors. Now, what we should be looking for in this particular project is that basically the titration is the process of determining the exact volume of solution that reacts according to the balanced chemical equation. And with a given volume of second solution of known concentration, the end result or the end point of the titration of the acid and base is usually indicated in the second, indicated in the acid-base indicator. That has a erupted and distinct color change. It will change colors at the point of neutralization. We have in the past talked about in our classroom about titration for acetic acid. And we're just really starting to learn about the different bases. What is a weak base? What's a strong base? What's a strong acid versus a weak acid? And talked a little bit about the pairing or the conjugation of the actual pairs. So these are some of the things that basically I will be using today to do the experiment. Of course, as I always do, I have my little trusty magnifying glass so that I can actually see a little bit clearer and a little bit closer, and actually looking at the different reactions, no matter how faint they are. I have another little instrument here, which is the pipelet, which basically I will be using to also take some of the fluid out so that I can actually see if there's a color change from that particular unit. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. This project was something that basically I long wanted to kind of find out about, because vinegar is something I use every day. So it would be good to kind of see exactly how vinegar acidity, or the acidity of the actual vinegar, how it reacts. And then we can see if we want to add more a little bit on our salads. So have a good day, and I will see you soon.